Buttercup Dragon Mac and Cheese.
What up, Buttercup? Hey guys, I'm back from Ecuador. I'm gonna be posting up some of the video that I took while I was there. The trip to Ecuador was surreal, is honestly like the only word that I have for it. I just didn't expect it to be so lovely. I had such a wonderful time. My trip did get cut short for emergency reasons having to do with one of my kids. And don't worry, everybody's okay. I had a blast. I want to share with you guys some of the video I took. As far as having an ostomy goes, I did run into some issues while I was there, namely that I didn't really expect transportation between the locations that we were going to really take as long as it did. And hang on, I'm setting this up on a bench. So I was stuck during my active hours on a bus that was like going up into the jungle. Like there was you're shit out of luck. So I was getting a little nervous. There was like I guess a mudslide or something along the way, and like the bus, which is like already on a 2-hour trip, had like stopped on this just one way each direction road, and it was like, oh, I already have to go empty this out. This is not gonna be good. I made it. Everything was fine. Just had to like remind myself to calm down and everything will be okay. And then whenever I was hiking out in the jungle, it got really active again, probably like an hour into my hike, which was fine. I made it back in time. It's just annoying. It's really annoying whenever it gets really full and you don't want it to be. So that was obnoxious. As far as finding public restrooms, there was a lot of public restrooms in Quito. You definitely got to take your own toilet paper. BYOTP, you know. The toilets, the public toilets there make me really appreciate the worst toilet in the United States. Like, I'm just... I'm amazed at the amount of fecal matter that human beings can produce and where they can put it. I had questions I didn't want answers to. So anyway, all of that was fine. I, as always, run into trouble with the TSA, who wants to do one of those searches where they make sure they get up in between your labia and make sure that they just want to touch your whole body. So they only do that in the US, by the way. just be prepared. So the lady that was like doing her full search on me kept saying, I've never seen an ostomy so small. I have like a smaller pouch. I know you guys have seen some of my older videos about how I like to use the midi pouches, and not even just an oversized pouch or a regular size pouch. I really like the midi pouches. So she was trying to argue with me that it must not be an ostomy because she's never seen one so small. And then also my wafer is convex. I have what's called a deep convex wafer, and that's because my stoma only sticks out about 1 inch to 1/2 inch at the smallest point, about 1 inch at the furthest that it sticks out. So the deep convex wafer pushes into my skin and it causes the ostomy to press back out. Don't worry, just spit coughing. So she was trying to argue with me that it shouldn't feel like it does, and you know, all I can do is keep my mouth shut and let her keep filling me up because I didn't do anything wrong, and their ignorance is not my problem. What answer do you want, lady? Oh, sorry to have to educate you today. Are you trying to educate me on my appliance? I don't understand. Do you think you know more about my ostomy than I do? I'm not sure. Just keep my mouth shut because I have nothing nice to say when somebody's trying to tell me that they don't believe that it's actually an ostomy. Okay. Cool. Good luck with that. Good luck with the rest of whatever else you're doing in life. So, you know, obviously I hate going through security at the US airports just because I always get a full search. They gotta go through my bags, they gotta go through everything. They're gonna question all my medical supplies, touch them all. That's really annoying too, because like ostomy supplies they aren't all like sealed and packaged stuff. Like they're not all sealed. So I hate when people like putting their nasty hands all over something that's going to be touching literally my insides, like it's going to be touching my organs. I hate that. But yeah, everything in keto went really well. I just wanted to give you guys a little introduction, a little whatever about what happened. Like I said, I did have to come home a couple of days early, and it is kind of part of this whole legal process thing, so it still can't be discussed yet. But look at there, guys. We're just little at a time. Oh, when I came back, I put together my garden, just kicked it into high gear, so I'm going to be showing you guys some of the stuff that I've done around the house pretty soon. Just feeling great. I was sick for like 6 weeks. You guys know how it is, celiac disease. I was just out cold for like 6 weeks, so now that I'm feeling better, just got my energy back, and I'm thankful, very happy to have my health back. So anyway, guys, enjoy these clips. I've been talking way too long. In the jungle, the answer to should I take a shortcut is no. No, you're not prepared for it. No. So this is like just to ride that up and then walk back down?
No, we're gonna go down to this place called Terra Vita, which I don't know exactly what it is.
Okay.
She said it costs $5 per person. And I don't know what it is. But she said they're hiking trails.
Okay.
So I guess this is where we are.
I think I'm ready to take my raincoat off. Ready? We're walking through it, right?
Yeah. Now you got to run a few feet.
Yeah. Oh yeah, big bananas hanging up there. You see them?